I know I already made a video about the disc scratch and everything, but now it's making a weird sound. Here, watch. Alright, see the disc? Close. Now watch. You hear that? My bad. Accidentally pressed it. I don't know what that sound is. If you do know what it is, please comment and subscribe. Thanks.